Hey guys, welcome back to Catalyst University. My name is Kevin Tokoph, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can take one of your own YouTube videos that's already uploaded, and one, trim off the beginning of the video, two, trim off the end of the video, or number three, supposing you made a mistake in the middle of the video, or there's just another reason you want to remove a part in the middle out of the video, I'll show you how to trim that out using YouTube's video editor. For example, here's a video right here where I'm showing how the upper ribs move when you move your thoracic spine in certain ways. That's irrelevant. But what do I do if there's a little mistake in there that I want to get rid of? So I'll show you. So first of all, you go to your channel videos. So this is my channel right here. Here's my dashboard. I'm on videos, and I'm just going to scroll down here and find the specific video I want to edit. So it's right here. I'm going to click on that video, and it brings me to this page right here. So editor's right here. This is what I'm going to click, and this brings me to the video editor. The first thing I'm going to do here is show you how to trim off the beginning of a video. So you can look at this in one of two ways. You can either listen to the video and just find out exactly where you want to split based on that, or you can come here, look at the waveforms, and figure out where you want to split. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on the spot where I want to start the video. Suppose I want to start right there. So when I take my mouse off of it, assuming I've clicked there, that line stays there, and I'm going to come over here and click trim. Okay. Now, once I have that, notice at the beginning of the video there's this vertical blue line. If I hover my mouse over that, I get this rightward facing arrow. I'm going to click on that, hold, and drag it over to this line right there. Okay. And now my video will start right here. I can click over here, but the video won't play from there. Notice if I hit play,
this one right here is going to be our...
It automatically starts from this new position right here. Okay, so that would be where the new video would start. Now let's do the same thing for showing where to trim off the end of the video. And actually in this video, there is a specific spot I actually do want to trim off. So I can start playing this right here, and I'll listen to where I want to end it.
And then in extension, you get posterior rotation and overall superior rotation of the rib.
This is where I want to end the video. So I can pause it. Notice that this line appears right here. That can give you an exact spot for where to end the video. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Notice if I put my mouse and hover it over the end video there, where there's that vertical blue line, if I click, hold, and drag to that position, now the video will actually terminate right here. And then we can pick it from this spot right here and play it just to make sure that that works.
Inferior rotation of the whole rib. And then in extension, you get posterior rotation and overall superior rotation of the rib.
Now notice that was a little bit off. I want to make sure it doesn't cut out that last word rib. So I can actually zoom in a little bit, and I can actually take this and maybe bring it out a little bit further there and make sure that it leaves on that last word of rib.
Extension, you get posterior rotation and overall superior rotation of the rib.
So this part I want to edit out, right between where this vertical line is and right there. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to put my mouse right here, make sure this vertical line is right there at the start where I want to trim it out. Now I'm going to hit split. Okay. Then I'm going to hover my mouse over that new blue line, and I'm going to drag it to the right just where I want it to end the cutout. Okay. So now this region right here that's been darkened, it will play over. It will not go through that. So watch this.
You had an overall downward rotation. So that anterior rotation is going to cause...
Notice how it skips over that now. So that is how you trim out a portion of the video that you don't want in there that's in the middle, so you don't have to re-upload the entire video, lose your views, lose your comments, your likes, and so forth. Makes it a lot easier on everybody. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and it made sense to you. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos and notifications. Thank you.